guys, and welcome to the 4th episode of HelmCam. Today we are going to the lake, but not exactly to the lake. Today we have some structure and we are gonna do some drills. So, let's get to it.
Tonight, some drills, horses, and a story about the track. Hey guys, and welcome once again to the 4th episode of HelmCam. Today, hopefully I'll get some better quality, but I'll talk about that later. Now focus on the video.
First thing, I want to get at least closer to the lake, but also I wanna do some trails. Today I actually should have been to a track, but it was closed today, so well, bad luck. But that's not important. So we are gonna get on the straight, we're gonna find some sort of straight dirt road, and we are gonna practice some drills. Today I wanna practice like small wheelies over like obstacles, but I don't even have an obstacle, so I'm gonna do small wheelies. Today I wanna try the wheelies, and I want to try some elephant turns, because I don't know how to do any of them. But first, let's get to the lake. There's some horses, so I need to. I'm gonna stop fully. We need to wait for the horses to cross because I don't wanna make them scared. So I'm just gonna stay here for a bit.
Now I can tell you why was the difference in quality, or hopefully the difference in quality will be here between the last videos and this one. I'm editing this one in DaVinci Resolve, and I edited the last ones in CapCut because it's simpler to use. But I think the quality was somehow messed up on export in CapCut. So tell me in the comments if this is better today.
So I can talk about today's schedule. Today we are gonna go to the lake, then come back here because it's long and straight, and practice some small wheelies. Like, you know, I'm gonna show you like a video or a picture right now, and elephant turns. I'm also gonna show you like a picture. I don't know how to do any of them, so please don't laugh at me. It's gonna look very stupid. That's fun thing, and I wanna be here as long as I am able to. Then I'm like not perfectly, but at least well enough.
Here now I didn't go completely to the lake because the beehive I've showed you in the last video is still there, and also it's sort of boring because I've been there, tens of times. So basically I don't go all the way there because this video is about something very different.
Well, yeah, they have the beehive there, and I don't wanna. You see that little camper thingy? That's a beehive. I have ridden right into it last time, and there are bees around it. So, right, I can show you what I mean by elephant turn. I don't know if it even is a proper name, but you go all the way to first. You sort of rest the bike like this, then wait for the. But I can't do it, I said.
As you see, the elephant turn didn't go as planned. I'm gonna also show you a video of how it's supposed to look like, but I'm a newbie in this whole motorcycle thing, so I still can't do it.
Are we? Bro! I shoot it into a neutral instead of second. Fuck! But is it important? That now we go to the lake, now we're back, and I wanna show you what I wanna do today. I'm gonna probably cut through most of them because they're not gonna be successful. But basically, like a little wheelie, put the front wheel up, put it down, and do it again and again and again and again and again and again and again, you know. So let's see if I can do it right now. So here first, go very slow. Then
As I said, I was just gonna skip over most of them. Looking back, the technique is fucking terrible. So in the next video, I'm gonna try doing it while standing. Here I really didn't know what I was doing, but you're gonna see if I improved in the next video. The first successful wheelie happened just now, and I think it was just because my rear wheel got traction finally. Here you can see my feeble attempts at an elephant turn, and again I know I was doing It's very wrong.
He did a burnout, but not the elephant turn. Fucking hell. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the intro. What I'm gonna try to do, are we still recording? Is play the camera and see what I'm actually doing, because I don't see from that angle what I'm actually doing.
I put the camera down so I can see if the real wheel is slipping or not. But the problem is the camera has fallen over almost immediately, so I actually don't see shit. When I finally put the camera back, my wheelie started to kinda work. By the way, next time we are getting the second angle since I'm bringing the second camera, so you are gonna see and I am gonna see what I'm doing wrong. But right about here, my wheelie started to sort of go correct for a little bit before it became completely fucked up again.
That works. That works. Okay, so the front brake is the fucking go. Okay.
Also, right about there, I have figured that compressing the front suspension might be kinda good to, popping the front wheel. So
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I need to change the technique again, I think. No. So guys, I have found out I've came here unprepared or underprepared. So I think that's enough of these things for today. But not tomorrow because I have school tomorrow, but I don't know if it's gonna be in this or in the next video. I'm gonna come here with another camera except for this GoPro and gonna mount it on here or like this, and then I'm gonna see what I'm doing wrong from fucking hell, from third person, and then I can find out what I'm doing wrong basically. But since I don't know what I'm doing wrong and I can't check from third person, I think I will have to end the Enduro part here. I'm cyclists, so I'm gonna have to wait. So I'm gonna probably end the drill part here and focus on something a little different.
I've stopped here because, well, I did not know what I want to do. But, well, since I didn't want to do more drills because I still didn't know what I'm doing wrong, and I cannot go to the lake because there's the beehive, I have landed on a third option that I'm gonna, at least not waste this time. And I'm gonna do the turn, the 90-degree turn, which I've talked about in the last video. So, yeah, basically.
But next time I'm bringing the other camera and I think I'll finally be able to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Hopefully. Right, cyclists I think went on, so we can probably go. Yeah, so I'm just gonna attempt the turn a few times.
Here you can just see me doing the turn again and again and again and again. But practice makes the best, so, well, I won't talk much because you already know what's going on. A few meters later I got a rock inside my eye. Just strange since I have my goggles on, but it probably flew in from the side or below the helmet, so that was a pain in the ass, or pain in the eye, to be precise. After that, I've decided that I have enough for the day and decided to, well, head home.
Yeah, I think so. Is that thing good enough? Did you lose anything? No, doesn't look like it. So, that's the 5th episode over. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to get some better quality when cutting this. It's not called cutting, but editing this video. Next time I'm gonna bring a secondary camera so we can see what I'm doing wrong there. I've enjoyed it. Hopefully you did too. And that's everything from me. Like, subscribe, comment, all the other stuff, and peace.